Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the OTG connection on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should be similar on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now to enable this option, all you have to do is simply access settings. So find the settings icon either on the home screen or the app drawer and tap on it. And then within the settings, all you have to do is scroll down until you find additional settings. So select that. And then within the additional settings, all you have to do is simply scroll down and find the OTG option. So tap on that and then you should see OTG and it will have a brief description. So turn on OTG to be able to connect your device directly to other devices using USB. This feature will automatically turn off after 10 minutes of inactivity. Now to enable OTG, all you have to do is simply tap on the toggle switch icon and it will turn blue, indicating that the OTG connection has been enabled. So once it has been enabled, you can now plug in your USB device on your phone. So that's basically it on how to enable the OTG connection on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.